It's going to smash Facebook. It's going to smash Instagram. It's going to smash literally anything because the attention on there is wild. What is good, YouTube? Welcome to another one. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is powerful trending things that you need to be taking advantage of right now. This is going to be a shorter video in comparison to some of the other long ones that I've done recently. And the reason being is I want to talk about what is blowing up right now. And if you aren't paying attention to this, you are behind the 8 ball. There is this new app, for those of you that haven't heard of it and have been living under a fucking rock, pick up that rock, move it to the side, and start living, because there's this new app called TikTok. And for those of you that haven't heard about it, it was an Asian or Chinese app that built called, I can't pronounce what it was called, brought to the US, and it took off. Initially, I personally, in all honesty, wasn't fully sold on it because I didn't understand the concept of it, and I was trying to get my head around it, and then we finally did. And now I'm looking at this app and I'm going, this thing is going to blow up, and it already has. The amount of organic reach on this platform for any of you that are in unique opportunities or unique niches. If you're in photography, there's a guy that's like going around taking pictures of random chicks and couples and stuff, and his TikTok account's blowing up. If you're in fashion, you can do different things. They're blowing up. Art, blowing up. Comedians right now, it's the best platform for comedians in my opinion. And the reason being is because all this platform wins on is talent, okay? If you have talent and you have a personality and you're not a boring fucker, you will win on this platform. And I mean it, because I've looked at what's been going on. Me and another partner who's literally ripped apart the entire TikTok algorithm because he's just a smart cookie. And we've sat down and literally worked on it over the last 3 to 4 months to figure out what is going on, built a group, watched this group take off, watched some simple videos that have just literally been, following trends. So like the trend of this app is insane. Now inside this app, there's also trends that literally you can blow up with organic reach. Granted, when you are doing this, you gotta have, like I said, you gotta have some creativity. And if you put your creativity and be you on this platform, you are going to win. And I'm wanting to create this video because if you aren't paying attention to this video is being shot January 2020. If you aren't paying attention to this year in 2020, us as a digital agency, we're literally finishing on the final stages of getting access to the paid advertising platform as well, because the reach on the platform is going to be insane. And then when we do get the paid side of it, I'm going to share an entire video on how you guys can monetize using TikTok paid, because it's going to smash any other paid ads platform that's currently out there. It's going to smash Facebook. It's going to smash Instagram. It's going to smash literally anything because the attention on there is wild. And for those of you that have seen people like Gary Vee and all those guys talking about it for a little while, he's blown up. He's done pretty damn well for it. We've had simple females and guys and students inside of our group that we give free information to with the partner that I partnered with. If you want more information on what we're doing there, hopefully it's done by then. But by the time this video comes out, there'll be links below on what we're doing with the TikTok platform to help you on a business perspective, help you on a social perspective. If you have a passion for it, if you have a purpose for something, how to take it and build a lifestyle business around it, okay? It is one of those situations where this is one of those times where you need to be going all in on it, especially if you don't have money for paid advertising to scale a business, especially if you don't have a lot of time because you're working a long job or multiple jobs or whatever. This stuff literally is 15 to 60 seconds, putting content up on a daily basis will have you win. One of the students that we had, she built her TikTok following in a very short amount of time. It was like less than 4 to 5 weeks. Built it to a decent following, got featured on a huge YouTube channel, and blew up even more. So it's like the reach of what can come from the creativity can get you put somewhere else that a lot of people aren't paying attention to. The more creative you are, the more you're willing to put yourself out there, the more you're willing to go on the trends inside of the app, you are going to win. And that's pretty much what I wanted to come on and talk about this. Keep paying attention to trending topics, keep paying attention to trending things. Like for example with me, and I'll kind of talk about this a little bit, I'll touch on this briefly. TikTok blew up really well Q4 of last year, and I was kind of on it, but I was not on it, and I wasn't paying attention to it until we decided to dive fully deep and to see why this is going on. First, I thought it was just a bunch of fake traffic because it's coming from China and all this other bullshit. And we've seen this happen with other platforms. When we first got on Facebook ads ages ago, when it was first to market, Facebook ads had just complete botted traffic. And that's kind of what we thought it was, because we've seen this over and over again. However, I'm here to say that I fucked up and I own it, because what I'm looking at now and what's going on in this, I'm making sure no one else is gonna miss it. So if you're watching this video right now and you wanna understand how to do this, click the link below this video, because it's gonna be a video that we're gonna give away of some free content for you and how you can use to monetize, how you can use to build a new following, how you can use to build an active following on a platform that is here to stay for a very long time. You know that Instagram has been near and dear to my heart for what we've done and the companies that we've built. But trust me, we're going all in on TikTok as well, and we're gonna be going all in on the GrowRev side with the paid advertising. So I hope you got some value out of this video, understanding how to pay attention to trends, understanding how to use those trends inside of them, because there's micro trends within certain things that you're doing, pay attention to them, and hurry, get off your ass, go use it. We're gonna put a little compilation right here of all the TikTok videos that are coming on my TikTok channel. And if you haven't already, go follow me on TikTok. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and see you real soon.
Poof, disappear. My sprite, mean, lean, green bean, cannon bean, piccolo. Gas so strong.